Hi guys, I thought I would share the opening of my newest Smart Doll. So here she is. She's been waiting to get open, so let's get into her. I've actually had her for a couple days, but I haven't had a chance to open her. Been kind of busy, not at home and stuff. So I was just gonna open her, and I thought, hey, I'll make a little video of her because she is a new sculptor, new paint job, new girl kind of on Smart Doll, and I wasn't really looking to get a new Smart Doll anytime soon. Kind of anticipating the pear-shaped girl like a lot of other people probably are, but then I saw her come up and I thought, wow, she's really beautiful and interesting and different, and I think that I would enjoy having her in my little Smart Doll collection. So I was able to get her. So it's going to be fun to get to see her and share that with you. So here's the bags that they come in. Keep calm and carry a Smart Doll. These are fun. This is her little box. I didn't get any extra goodies or anything. So we have a stand and of course the card with all the care guides things on it. And we have a wig. It's a Coco wig. And I didn't get her a new wig out, so we'll open this because this is the wig that we will be putting on her. Of course, now my cat would decide this is the time that he would like to come and show us or show me what he found in the basement and brought upstairs to share. It's kind of late here and he does this a lot at night. So here's her wig. It's the Coco wig. Straight and pretty. It feels like the whole of it is kind of smaller than some, but maybe because I've been using some wigs from other places on my dolls lately, which is also probably why they keep falling off when I take them out. So here's the bag and here's the girl. Always the most fun part, getting to take them out of the bag. She's a cinnamon girl, and I've been thinking lately there are a few of the other skin tones that I would enjoy having, so I would like to be able to get another Coco, another tea, and one of the fun colors would also be fun to have. So here she is in her cute little underwear set, and here she is. Oh, fun. Just in time for acrobatics to start. So it is the new Survivor. Wow. And I've heard some talk a little bit about her, how her burn marks look like they're healing, or like they just happened and that they look really sore. But I think when he was having ideas of her a while ago, and someone said they thought that it was a new zombie or a semi-real zombie. I don't think the other zombies are semi-real, are they? And I thought it was really neat concept. And then someone else had in the messaging and said they thought that it was the new Survivor. And I have 3, I think, of the old Survivor, the marble skin tone. I really love it. I only have 2 heads left because I traded one of the heads. Like I said, it's nighttime, so it's playtime. I traded one of the heads for another head, so I have 3 marble Survivor skin tones and 2 of the heads. And now I have her. I don't have her on any of the other bodies though. I've used the bodies for other heads at this time because I have more heads than I do bodies. I'd like that to change, but I haven't been able to work that out yet. But anyway, here she is. She has burn scars on her face, around her eye, on her neck, and on her arm. It's really neat. We have a picture on this card because like my Pride Corey with the acne scarring, each one is just a little bit different. So I can kind of see, the difference in the scarring on the real doll and that one in that picture. So it's really neat. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful face and makeup. I love her little mole. And I love the beautifulness of her scarring. It just makes her more special. So that's her, the new Survivor. I was going to look on the bag. Oh, it fell. Oh, it is on this one. Yeah, it's just Survivor and cinnamon. That's the only color I saw that was for sale when she came up. So maybe she'll be on other skin tones too. Of course. Most of them are. All of them are. I would really love to get Coco Pride. I think she's very pretty. We'll see if we can get this wig on. Like I said, it felt like it was kind of tight. Which will be good because it will stay on if we can get it on. So I don't have a name for her yet. I haven't thought of a name. I thought I would get her and see. Goodness. That is on there really good. And she's, of course, going to be a doll that is best in a wig with no bangs, so that her beautiful face can show off. I love her little smile. And of course her eye makeup. So yeah, it's the new Survivor. I was really excited to be able to get her and add her to the crew. A lot of fun. A lot of fun to be seen. So that's her. I just thought I would share and show off the new Survivor from Smart Doll. It's a lot different than the old Survivor, who was like the full body scarring because it was just marbled, to just have those spots. I have Pride, and I have Valiant, who has the birthmark on her face. I almost feel like it's on the same side. I have Valiant semi-real and anime, so I should have grabbed her and brought her out here, So, or maybe not. Maybe her birthmark's on this side. I would think that they would do them on opposite sides. But anyway, very pretty girl. Very fun. So it's fun to have these different new smart dolls and to have these dolls that represent different things, and it's just fun because they're beautiful and different, and I don't know, she's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm just grateful to be able to have her, and I hope you enjoyed seeing her box opening. And I have a small little smart doll haul of clothes. Maybe we'll be able to put that in sometime, and maybe we will be able to use her as a model. So we will see you soon, I hope, and I hope you're all doing well. Bye.